Mama, don't stress your mind.
Hello my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to share with you guys how I grew my hair, and all these tips are genuine tips that I have been doing over the past year that has really helped my hair grow. So I'm going to kind of first talk to you guys about my hair struggles. So my hair had a lot of split ends, which to be honest, I do need to get a haircut now. But what was the problem with me is when I was in high school, I used to be a straightening freak. My hair is naturally like wavy, I'd say. I used to think it was like curly, but it's definitely got less curly over the years and it's more like wavy. I wanted to have straight hair so badly, and I would straighten my hair every single day on the highest heat possible. If there was a little crimp, I did not like it. I wanted it to be pin straight. To be honest, because my hair was so damaged, my hair would just break and it would get shorter and shorter, and it kind of stayed at like this middle range hair. Like it didn't grow past that range. And I was just super frustrated because at the time I wanted long, luscious hair and I just couldn't go past this certain mid-length. Really dry hair, a really dry scalp, and I'll tell you what I've used for that. It was just very, very dry and also damaged. I'm gonna try hopefully get some clips of my hair how it was before. It was much shorter, and compared to now, as you guys can see, it is definitely much longer than it was before. If you want more hair videos, thumbs it up so I know, and let me know which kinds you want to see. Let me know what your hair is like. I'm curious to know, do you have long, short, do you have brown hair, blonde hair, what color is your hair? Before we head into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the Nicolettes Fam Jam, and also go over and hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this. We are so close to 700,000 Nicolettes. That's crazy to me. I can't believe our family is almost that big. So definitely hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to ever talk to me more and join my family over on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, definitely do so. I will leave it always linked down below for you guys. But I need a little bit of coffee. But that being said, let's just jump into the video. So as always, I wrote down like my little tips here, and I'm just gonna expand on it. To begin first, I added a vitamin for my hair into my little regimen on how to grow my hair. This is not sponsored. I actually picked this up from Costco, and my mom and brother have this too. And it's the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nail Gummies with biotin. Is it biotin? Biotin? You guys know what I mean. That has been really great and known for growing your hair. Of course, biotin doesn't work for everyone, so definitely try it and kind of see how it works with you. But I added this over a year ago. I've been using this for a long time, and I definitely think that this obviously may have helped my hair grow as well. I just take 2 of these every single day, every day, usually in the morning. You have to like stop yourself from having more because they honestly taste so good. I could have so many of these, but a girl has to resist. Definitely recommend picking up like a vitamin for hair growth. I always pick these up from Costco if you guys are wondering, but obviously you can get these anywhere else, but Costco is where I always get this. Number 2 is brushing my hair. So I actually heard that brushing your hair out and doing it a lot of times really does help with your hair. I also like to brush my hair on the roots because that just kind of stimulates your hair follicles to make it grow a little bit more. I started to brush my hair out more often. I think just also maintaining and brushing your hair, it's really gonna make a difference in the end of the day. We're gonna talk about the washing. My hair actually doesn't get very greasy fast normally, and that probably could be because I have a dry scalp. So I don't like to wash my hair all the time. They say you really shouldn't. I remember before, like, people would think they'd have to wash it like every single day and stuff like that, but it's better to let the oils also like go into your hair and not dry out your hair, because when you're putting shampoos and all that, you're also stripping the natural oils from your hair, and it's gonna make it really dry and brittle. So that's why you don't wanna over wash your hair. Of course, wash your body. We know we don't wanna be stinky. I always wash my hair 3 days or 4 days or something like that, however long I can honestly push it. The shampoos I use is, I've used a bunch of Matrix products, and I've used a lot of more of the higher end products. To be honest, I do use Head and Shoulders shampoo when it comes once in a while to my scalp. I've heard like drugstore shampoos and stuff are honestly not that great for the hair, but I just found that this Head & Shoulders shampoo is the one that honestly genuinely helps my scalp whenever my scalp is super dry and helps to get rid of any dandruff you have. I definitely want to maybe switch over to a more natural hair care routine and look into that, but I haven't really gotten there yet. So I'll keep you guys updated if anything does change with my hair routine when it comes to that. I never used to do this, but I started to incorporate a lot of hair masks into my hair routine. So I would do one once a week. And I have done so many hair hack videos, which I'll link all of them down below, because to be completely honest, there's so many great hair masks that I've used within those videos that genuinely made my hair feel so soft after, and I feel like doing all these different like natural hair masks really helped to make my hair grow. But two that I've really stuck with is the egg in my hair. So I would do an egg hair mask where I'd crack an egg. And I know some people just use the egg white and stuff, but I typically use the whole egg. I whisk it together and then I put it on the bottoms of my hair, kind of from like here down. I'll put the egg in. I'll let it sit for hours. One thing though, I definitely have to, I keep forgetting to tell you guys this, but if you do the egg hair mask and you go into the shower and you're gonna put your shower on like boiling hot water, it's gonna like start to cook the egg. Like, not kidding you, the struggle is real. So when you do wash your hair out, you need to make sure that it's more of like at a warm or like cool kind of setting when first putting the shampoo in your hair and then rinsing it out, and then you can put it to like a hotter setting when you like condition your hair. But I love doing the egg hair mask. It makes my hair so soft after. It is amazing and I use it so much, and I also do follow it with a conditioner as well. Whenever I do use a conditioner inside of my shower, I like to just hold it in there. So if I'm gonna shave my legs or something like that, I'll shave my legs while my conditioner is just sitting in there for 5 to 10 minutes at least, and then I'll rinse it out. I think that really just helps to moisturize your hair so much better than just putting your conditioner on for like 1 second and then rinsing it off in the shower. And the second hair mask, of course, that I live by is coconut oil. Coconut oil is amazing. So all I do is I make sure that it's like melted so that it's an actual oil and it's not thick. I put it at the ends of my hair. I put maybe a little bit on the roots, but barely, because it is super like thick oil and it can make your hair greasy if you don't wash it out properly. But one thing I did learn is once in a while I will put a little bit tea tree oil into the oil, and it's just good to help your scalp. It conditions your scalp, it also helps stimulate your scalp, and I just do that once in a while. And one thing about coconut oil treatment masks is you do have to make sure you get it completely out, because your hair can be extremely greasy. But once again, I always keep my coconut oil there like for so long, hours. It's gonna make your hair so soft, it's gonna make your hair grow, and it's just gonna give back like the health that your hair needs, especially if you put heat on it or you dye it or anything like that. So once my hair is completely washed and I come out of the shower, there's a few things I started to incorporate into my hair routine that I'm really consistent with, and I've been doing it for a year or two whenever I really started this hair growth. I always use an argan oil every single day that I'm done showering my hair. I wait till it's damp. I always put on the ends. I'm sorry if the angle changed just a little bit. My cart got full. Your girl talks way too much and is way too excited about this topic, so I had to empty my memory card a little bit. But let's jump right back into it. I think I was talking about like oils and stuff like that. So I've used a variety of different like oils. The one I'm using now, like you guys can see, I'm showing you guys currently, but that definitely wasn't what I was using always. I like to kind of switch up hair products once in a while because I know my hair could get used to it. So I like to switch it up once in a while, whether it's my shampoo, my conditioners, my oils, I just switch it up. But I've used definitely a lot of Moroccan oils, and I've used argan oils on my hairs. That's gonna help also with split ends, and as well as it's just gonna also give that life back into your hair. One thing I do not use as well is blow dryers. I do not blow dry my hair because I just find that's extra heat that I don't want to put on my hair. I just let my hair always dry naturally, and as well as when I do like brush out my hair, I wait till it's not like super wet, and then if I am gonna brush out my hair now when it is still wet, I take a wide tooth comb and I start at the ends of my hair and just work my way up. It's way better than going in with a brush and brushing your hair up from the root to the down when your hair is wet, because you're really gonna pull on your hair. You're gonna break your hair off a lot more easier. A random little tip, which I think everything makes such a difference, and if you can add 1 or 2 things that's really gonna help with your hair growth, it's really important. So one little thing I've switched over is I've changed my hair ties. So I used to use elastic bands as hair ties, and they have these new hair ties now that honestly don't pull at the hair. They don't leave creases, which is amazing when you wear a ponytail and then take it down. You don't have that ugly crease, but also it's less likely to pull on your actual hair and rip your hair out when you do want to put your hair in a ponytail or a bun or something like that. So these are the hair ties that I use that I absolutely love. They are so amazing. You can find these everywhere and they're just so much better for your hair. Might as well do something that's going to be a little bit better for your hair, and it's just something that I've definitely switched over to. Something I have definitely stopped is I stopped dyeing my hair. So I am going to try and find pictures of all the different hair colors I've been. I've been like pretty much blonde at one point. I had like caramel highlights, ombre hair, but I even went a little bit darker. If you guys think I should dye my hair a certain color, let me know. I'm curious to know what color you guys think I'd look good in. I think I haven't dyed my hair in like 2 years. I decided to take a break because one, dyeing your hair is not great for your hair, and as well as thinking about it, when I get older and my hair turns gray, I'm gonna dye my hair all the time, so might as well enjoy the natural hair color for now until I can't enjoy it anymore. It's super damaging, especially if you're gonna go light. It damages your hair so much when you bleach your hair and all that. It's gonna make it dry, it's gonna make it brittle, and your hair is most likely to break. And my last tip, which is super important and it's gonna make the world of a difference, is trying not to put heat on your hair. I cannot go like months without putting heat on my hair, I have to admit, especially when I'm filming. I want to kind of look presentable for you guys. You guys like think I'm look pretty. I want to be presentable for you guys, but something I do is I try not to put as much heat anymore. Now I just try to go days or even a week without doing anything to my hair. So I have done so many no heat hairstyles on my channel. I will try to show you guys some right now, but there are a lot in my hair hack videos, so I'll link those down below for you guys that have like kind of no heat hairstyles for you. And it's just so much better to try and learn little things that's really gonna make you still like your hair without having to put heat on it. I've been trying to find hairstyles that like look really nice on my natural hair, but I just try to go with putting heat as rare, like as little as I can, and that really makes the world of a difference. Another little thing that I'm gonna throw out there is I've been eating a lot more healthier than I was at one point. I never was someone that ate that bad, but I'm definitely more health conscious now, and I try to eat fairly clean. I try to eat not as much junk food. I've definitely been incorporating more like vegetables and fruits into my diet. That's something I used to like hate, like fruits and vegetables, only like certain things I would eat, but now I'm definitely starting to expand on my food game because I was like the pickiest eater of life. I have a whole fitness playlist on my channel if you're interested to kind of know about my fitness journey and just like things that I like to do. So those are always really important. Obviously what you eat is gonna make a difference, and I just thought I would like throw that out there for you guys just because I know that's kind of changed within the past few years. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. These are genuinely my tips that actually work to help grow your hair fast and healthy. I hope it helped. Thumbs up if it did. Also, don't forget to go hit that subscribe button as always to join the Nicolette's Bam Jam Circle uploads every other day here on my channel, and hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I upload a video like this. But that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!